Hello everyone, Eugene Segovia here with EZStudRack. So today is, I don't know what day of coronavirus thing going on. It is April the 29th, 28th. It's a Thursday. Day before May 1st is all I know, because tomorrow is when restaurants are allowed to open up at 25% capacity. Anyway, as this whole thing is going on, as I'm thinking about this whole Chinese thing going on, everyone wants to go made USA now. A lot of you know that I bring my product in from China. I've only got so much product left, and when I called, asked the factory, hey, y'all still up in business? It was a yes and no. You got to wire money up front, and it gets a little scary when you're wiring a lot of money to something you might not even be able to get the product in. So I'm going to focus on Made in USA. I might offer 2 lines. I have no idea what it's going to cost. It's an injection molding polypropylene plastic. How hard can it be, right? Well, it's beyond my expertise. All I do is put up simple shelves and just store stuff with it. But I am on my way right now to meet with the gentleman. We'll see how it goes. It'll be the first meeting. I'm going to try to document as I go through this little venture of what it's going to take. That way, all you listening can ride with me and help me figure this thing out together as a team. That's it. Wish me luck. This is actually my first vlog, I think is what you call it. I'm going to make sure I stand right so you can see me, not the sun. Anyway, with that, Eugene with EZStudRack, and we'll keep on with this journey. God bless all of you. Stay safe.